Allahu Jaleel, Allahu Latif. He saw. He saw Allah Ainul Yaqeen. Awwalul Muslimin, first to testify on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wujud and existence when nothing existed. There was no Jannah, there was no creation, there was no Jahannam, there was no law, there was no law mahfuz, there was no qalam, there was no seven skies, there were no angels, no Jibreel, nothing. Awwalul Muslimin. I'm the first to testify. Why? Because he was the first creation. He was haazir and naazir, and he saw Allah, and he testified on all the attributive qualities of Allah, because Allah gave him access to the realm of majestic attributes, which is known as alam jabarut. One station below alam lahut, which is the ultimate realm of absolute, right? And this realm that we're living in is the realm of multiplicity. There is only one there, one. Hayy, Qayyum, Wahid, Allahu Ahad. He is there, nothing else. That's the realm of the absolute. He had access to it. Therefore, the testification and shahada of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is when he witnessed, he saw, and the testification and da'i ilallah bi-izni, mubashir and nazir of the other prophets is when they heard what they heard. Therefore, no prophet made mi'raj beside our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Understand? No prophet will make mi'raj, or will make mi'raj. I would never have given that opportunity. Only our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to the maqam of Qaba Qawsaini aw adna. Why? Because his shahada is Ainul Yaqeen. You understand now? That is the status of our beloved Habib Sayyidina wa Mawlana Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa barik sallim alfa marratin ya Habib Allah ya Nabi Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So their testification is by hearing, reiterated it, and our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam shahada is what he saw, Ainul Yaqeen, that he witnessed with his naked eye, right? And he relayed it. So actually the prophets are da'i, the prophets are siraj, the prophets are da'i, the prophets are mubashir, and the prophets are nazir and shahid by the shahada of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, the iman of every prophet depends on the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Awwalul Muslimin. What Nabi said, all accepted. And he is hazir and nazir. He is the master. Right? Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So he will testify on the happenings of all prophets. He'll be called upon to testify. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam will be called upon on the day of Qiyamah. The happenings of all other past prophets, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam will testify. You know why? Another narration says, when the floods came, Nuh alayhi salam, my brother Nuh built the ark. Allah. He took the body of Nabi Adam in the ark. Allah ordered him to exhume the body of Nabi Adam. He took the body of Nabi Adam alayhi salam in the ark. And when the water rose, for 6 months it rained from the sky and water bubbled out of the ground. For 6 months. The sky was never seen. Such a great global storm, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, I was in the ark. I was in the ark. When my ancestor Abul Anbiya Sayyidina Ibrahim Khalilullah alayhi salatu was salam was thrown in the fire by Pharaoh, by Namrud, I was with him inside the fire. Allah. Right? Because he's embodiment of mercy, is a manifestation of his mercy that cooled that fire. Command of Allah is there, no doubt. Everything depends on command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We believe in that. Whatever happens is by the command of Allah. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was there by the command of Allah, he was there. And it's a demand of mercy in comparison and conflict with fire to extinguish it. It's a demand of it. Right? It's because it's made of compassion. And fire will harm an individual. And who is he? He said, I was present and I witnessed. Sallallahu. Right? You speak about haazir and naazir. Let me give you one incident and I will terminate today's class. One important. Hazrat Sayyidina Tajul Arifin, Sayyidina Shaykh Abu Bakr al-Shibli radiyallahu. You know, Sayyidina Shaykh Abu Bakr al-Shibli, Murid and Khalifa of Qutb Madar, Sayyidina Junaid al-Baghdadi radiyallahu. Very eminent Shaykh in the five generations. Sayyidina Rasool Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, on the fifth generation or fifth generation, he is the master of Huzur Ghaus Pak radiyallahu ta'ala, Mashaykh. He is the predecessor Mashaykh of Huzur Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu, the Mashaykh of Ghaus Pak radiyallahu anhu. And Sayyidina Ghaus Pak radiyallahu ta'ala commented on him and he said, Kullu qawmin taj. Kullu qawmin taj. Every nation has a crown. Tajul Arifin Abu Bakr al-Shibli. And the crown of the Arifin fraternity is Abu Bakr al-Shibli. He passed away. He passed away. And after he passed away, some days passed, and a very great wali of his time, his contemporary, dreamt of him. Now this is spiritual therapy. Some bright spark asked, how come they dream of all these things? No. Because, and how come? Because they have linked themselves with a different world. And they enjoy all the benefits of that world. You link yourself with a certain place, you'll enjoy. You link yourself with the government, you'll get a lot of privileges. Yeah. Huh? You link yourself with the rich people, you get a lot of money. You link yourself with the awliya, you get a lot of spiritual privileges. It depends how you link, where you link yourself. Totally depends on that, on your choice. So they saw Sayyidina Abu Bakr al-Shibli radiyallahu anh very happy. And the Shaykh asked him, explain us, tell us what happened at the time when the angels came to ask you the question. What happened? How did you pass that? Because that's the most decisive moment, is when the angels come and ask the questions. That's where it's decided whether you're going to go this side or that side, whether you're going to be, where the door, where the window of Jannah will be open and we'll get the cool breeze, or whether the window of Jahannam will send the fierce flames and heat. That's very decisive. Hazrat Abu Bakr al-Shibli radiyallahu anh says, you know, you should have been there to see what I did. You should have been there to see what I did, or how I communicated to the angels. He said, tell us. He said, two angels came to me and asked me a question. Man Rabbuka? Who is your Lord? I replied to them, my Lord is He who had made all of you angels prostrate in front of my Father. Allah. Allah. My Lord is He who has made all of you angels make sajda to my Father. And you know what? I watched you all making sajda because I was in the back of my Father the time when you were making sajda. I noticed, I watched you. Allah. So why are you asking me, who's my Allah? Allah? You want to know who's my Allah? My Allah made you make sajda in front of my Father, Nabi Adam, my father. And I was watching you making sajda. The one angel said to the other angel, you see, Baba, let's go from here. We asking him a question, he is giving answer on behalf of the whole human race. Allah. And they returned. Allah. They left him. Incomplete answer. Allah. Question, left him at the window. This is the state of the haazir and naazir of Sayyidina Abu Bakr al-Shibli, who was a ummah of Sayyidina Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that he is now speaking about what the angels did when they were ordered to make sajda. How many hundreds and thousands of years before his creation, and he was in alam arwah, and he said, I was in the back of my Father watching you. So if his vision is so powerful, you can see what happened when the angel makes sajda.